Hey guys, it's Eitan and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm not in my usual cooking location. This is my actual kitchen in our house where we cook all our meals, we eat dinner, not the kitchen that I film my YouTube videos in, and that is because I just got back literally a few hours ago. I'm looking at the time, like less than 12 hours ago, from Los Angeles. I had the most amazing trip ever. I got to cook for like my favorite person in the whole world, LILLY Singh. Check out this awesome picture. Also, she was literally the nicest person ever. It was just amazing. If you want to watch that whole experience, you can click the I right over here, or the link will be in the description box below. Alright, hey guys, so I'm here, you know, just a casual day, and look at this! It was crazy, and Lily is seriously the nicest, most genuine person. She's just as awesome, probably even more awesome in person than she is on camera. Like, trust me guys, all of you out there who are Team Super, like, Lily is a real one, you guys. She's amazing. So, today, I'm going to be making one of, like, the super requested videos I've been getting since posting that video with Lily. Most of the recipes I made for Lily were already on my blog and YouTube channel, but the PIPOCA cookies, PIPOCA is Brazilian, I believe, for popcorn, so we're going to be making the PIPOCA cookies because you guys have been asking, and yeah. And also, as you guys can see, I'm wearing some of the merch that Lily gave me. It says, conquer... oh sorry, what am I saying? It says hustle harder. I also got the pin, so thank you so much, Lily, for the merch. If you guys want to get Lily's merch, I'll link it down below, lillysingh.com. It's really good. Okay, so let's just get started right away. So over here I have all my ingredients, and what we're just gonna do is we're gonna add in the butter into here that's at like a nice room temperature. Let's bring this up, and we're just gonna mix this all together. And they're not gonna be any like cool close-up shots because it's just me right now, so we're gonna go with it. Alright, perfect. Okay, perfect. So that started to whip together, and now I'm gonna add in my 2 sugars. I have some brown sugar, we're gonna add right in there, and some plain white sugar, and that all goes in there, and then we're gonna mix this up until it gets nice and creamed together. You know what, I'll actually bust out my phone to get some close-up videos as well. Okay, so now that that's come together, we are now going to add in our eggs. So let's just crack these eggs. And when I made this for Lily, we had a family we were staying at, that's my dad's like college friend, and they were so nice to let me use their kitchen out in Los Angeles, and we literally cooked for like hours the day before I met Lily, and it was just so much fun making all the food. Alright, so we have 2 eggs going in right over here, and then we're also going to go in there with some vanilla extract for some flavor. And I'm just going to give that a nice mix up. Alright, that looks really great. So now also I'm going to add in our flour. So we have some all-purpose flour. Let's get that all in there. Oh my god, every time I bake I literally get flour everywhere. So let's try to not make a mess this time because it's one of my friend's birthdays tonight. Happy birthday, Manny. And I am leaving in like a few hours right after I film this. It's going to the city, and yeah, so we're just going to add in some baking powder and baking soda into there. And then finally, I'm going to add in some nice flaky sea salt. I love to use flaky sea salt in cookies because, as you see, it has like, it's like bigger grains, which I really love, those like little hints of salt in the cookie that really contrast well with the sugar. But if you don't have that, you can totally use just regular old salt. Alright, so let's add it in. Oh, alright, almost making a mess. Oh god, it's like a flour shower. Okay. Alright, that just came together. Let's just move this all to the side so you guys can see what it looks like. And you don't want to overmix it just when it comes together. Let's pop it out and look at that. See this beautiful cookie dough right over here. And what we're going to do is you're going to let this sit in the fridge for about an hour until it gets nice and firmed up. And what this will do is it'll give us like a nice big cookie you're going to see. And then we're going to coat it with the popcorn and we're going to bake in the oven. And then we have the delicious cookies. Alright, I'll see you guys in an hour. Alright, actually, while that's cooling in the fridge, I figured let's do a giveaway, my first giveaway here on YouTube. So when I was at Lily's house, she not only gave me a bunch of her merch, she also gave me some of her Girl Love Rafikis, which are these bracelets that she did with the organization called Me to We, which helps educate girls in Kenya, which is something I definitely want to support. I actually bought one for my mom for Mother's Day last year, so I'll be giving one of these away. The way you can enter is share this video on any type of social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, I don't know if you could even share on Pinterest, wherever you share, share it there. I'm on all social medias. My links will be down below. Just tag me and then you're entered. Also, check out my Instagram for another way to enter so you can have 2 entries in the giveaway. And trust me, you guys are going to love to win this. My mom wears it really often. Alright, see you guys when the cookies are done cooling. Okay, so it's been an hour and I have my cookie dough right over here, and as you can see, it is now nice and firmed up, and all you're gonna wanna do super quick and easy is take about a tablespoon or two worth of dough. It's really up to you how much you wanna use. Then what I like to do is you kind of flatten it like this, and kind of stick to your hand. I like to put about 2 or 3 pieces of popcorn in the inside, then kind of like you're stuffing the cookie with popcorn, roll it until the popcorn's now inside, plus we want popcorn on the outside. So you're just gonna kind of roll it around in the popcorn. As you can see, I have it on a plate here. It will make a little bit of a mess, but you know, it's fine, it's worth it. Okay, so as you can see, now we have a cookie that's now covered in the popcorn. We're gonna place it down here and we're gonna repeat the steps with the rest of the cookies. Alright, there we go. Just finished with all of my 6 cookies. I'm now gonna go pop to the oven that has been preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake these off until they're nice and golden brown on the outside. They're gonna spread out. They're just gonna be the yummiest cookies ever. Alright, let's go pop these in the oven. Alright, it has been 12 minutes and our cookies just came out of the oven, and check these out, they look so good. Let me go get a spatula so I can grab a cookie. I am pretty short for time, so my friends literally just texted me, they're picking up in 15 minutes. So we're gonna eat these cookies pretty hot, and these look so delicious. Alright, and let's go in for a bite. Look at that, you have the popcorn on the outside and the butter and sugar is gonna go so well with it. Alright, here we go. While it definitely looks a little weird and sounds weird to have popcorn and cookies, these two great things are amazing when they're combined. You guys are seriously gonna love this recipe just as much as Lily did. If you want to make it, the link will be in the description box below. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and to Team Super, thank you so much for subscribing from Lily's channel. I'm super excited to have you here on my channel. I post new videos every Monday, a cooking video, and Thursday, some type of vlog or lifestyle video, and I cannot wait for you guys to see all those. If you haven't already, be sure to check out all my other videos on my channel. I will link some that I made for Lily down below. If you haven't watched the video with Lily yet, definitely do that. The link is also below. And yeah, this was super fun. If you haven't already, be sure to click that subscribe button and like this video because, I mean, who doesn't love cookies? Alright, I gotta go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Alright, I'm gonna continue eating cookies.